It's yet another video, and in this video I'll show you how to create your Binance API key and API secrets, and also how to enable your futures, spot and margin trading in your API restriction. But before we do that, let's grow this channel together by smashing that subscribe button, like this video and turn on your bell notification to stay updated whenever I drop content like this. I'm sure you've done that, so let's begin. Head over to the profile icon and select account. Then by the left hand side, scroll down to where you have API management, and it will open this API management page. Then you go ahead and click on create API. The self-generated API is more complex, so we'll stick with the system generated instead. And you click on next and you label this API. What do you want to call this API? I'll come on Algo Bullets. Click on next. Binance will verify if you are the owner of this exchange by sending a verification code to your email. I'll quickly fix this and then we continue. Click on submit, and automatically our API key has been created. Automatically, the API restriction for this API key is only in enable reading. If you want to connect it to your trading bot, cannot execute trade because it can only read your exchange details. If you go to enable restrictions, you see that the box to enable your futures, spot and margin trading are not active. You cannot select this. The reason being is that Binance default security does not permit this. If you want to override these securities and enable your futures, spot and margin trading, this is what you will do. When you create your API, automatically this box is selected. This is the default security control. You have to deactivate this box to be able to enable your API not only read but also to execute trades. I'll click on this box to uncheck. Binance is trying to tell you the risks involved in doing this, so you can take your time to read this before deactivating this box. I'll click on I hereby instruct to deactivate this and confirm. Binance are telling you this is risky. So are you sure you want to opt out from the default security controls for unrestricted IP access API keys? I'll say confirm. Binance will verify via your email and your phone number. So I'll quickly fix this and we'll get back to the video. Now the box is deactivated. I can now create a new API, create API, and still select system generated. Give this API another name. I'll call it Algo Bullets API test, and I said next, and I'll still have to verify. I'll fix this, and automatically the API has been created. If I head over to edit restrictions, you see that I cannot enable my spot and margin trading and also my futures trading if this is what you wanted. But before you enable these restrictions, be very careful that the platform you are sharing your API to is a trusted platform, because with this API key and your API secret, they can easily wipe your account. And also keep your API key and your API secret safe. The reason why I'm showing this API key is because I will delete it immediately after I'm done recording this video. When you're done with this, you can head over to save, and you also need to verify. I'll fix this verification and get back to the video. Edit API success. So now I have my Algo Bullets API test with my enable futures, enable spot and margin trading restriction activated, and also have my Algo Bullets API that was only in read only. I will go ahead and delete this API. If this video made sense to you and you want me to keep making videos like this, smash that subscribe button, like this video so algorithm will take it to other people, and turn on that bell notification to stay updated whenever I drop contents like this.